Hello guys and girls, welcome to my channel. It's Lurgs here, and today the Volkswagen Passat, how to reset the tyre pressure monitoring system. Now I am feeling a little bit tired, so I'm going to have a lovely cup of tea first.
Hey, careful man, there's a beverage here, huh?
So when you're in your Volkswagen Passat with the ignition on, if you've got the TPMS light permanently on, it means the tyre pressures are bad on one of your tyres, one of your 4 tyres. So if this light here is permanently lit, then you need to go and check all 4 tyres. So what I'm going to do is just make sure that all the tyre pressures are good on all 4 tyres. Now I can't give you the exact tyre pressures because obviously they vary depending on what model and what alloy wheels you've got. But just go round and make sure that they're all at the correct pressure. I've got a manual gauge here. Obviously if you've got a digital one that would be good. So you're just checking all 4 tyres. One of them actually needs a bit of air. Once you've pumped up all the tyres and they're all at the correct pressures, put the ignition key into the ignition and then go to the glove box on the left hand side. And in the glove box you've got a small tyre pressure button, which is here. Now what you do is just push that in and hold it for 3 seconds. And the dashboard will make a beeping noise and the light will go out. So this system is an indirect system. So the computer basically works out that if you're going in a straight line, all 4 wheels should be rotating at exactly the same speed if they're all set to the correct pressures. If one of them is underinflated or one is overinflated, it will be moving around at a different speed. That's how it knows that you've got a problem. Now, if that TPMS light won't go out, you've probably got an error with one of your ABS sensors, unfortunately. Don't get too deflated, but you will have to get an OBD2 reader, find out what sensor's gone wrong and replace that. If not, you will have to take it to a Volkswagen dealer, unfortunately. Hey guys and girls, if you found that video useful, then please subscribe by pressing this button down here for more how-tos, life hacks and helpful tips. And if you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be cool. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel.